questions that insurance adjusters just completely hate, and you're going to turn them off. Hello, my name is Darfoor of the Darfoor Law Firm. We practice personal injury here throughout the state of Florida, and our main office is located in Fort Lauderdale. Today, I'd like to discuss with you some questions that insurance adjusters just hate, okay? I'm going to share some questions with you that you shouldn't ask them because they don't like it and it's not going to help your case and it's just going to frustrate them, okay? First one is asking the insurance adjuster after you have an accident if they can recommend you a doctor to go see. Insurance adjusters hate this question because so many people ask them and it's not ethical and they're not allowed to give you a recommendation. Okay, there's going to be so many problems if something happens with your treatment and etc. You do not want to ask the insurance adjuster if they can recommend somebody for you to go treat with. In fact, there's other places that you can get great referrals from, like your family practitioner, your any friends that happen to be doctors. You know, there's multiple other ways, but don't ask your adjuster to recommend a doctor for you to go see. The next thing they hate is you asking them when your claim will be resolved without even providing them with all the documented information and all the documents that they need to evaluate your claim. Okay, you're asking them to do basically a job with a blindfold on, right? And you can't expect that. That's not reasonable. And they don't like hearing this when it comes from people that have just been involved in accidents because they don't have a way to expedite your claim without having the right information to evaluate it. Another question that adjusters hate is somebody that repeatedly checks on their claim every day or every other day. Things take time to move, right? And with a big insurance company, they have layers of management that it has to go through. Oftentimes, when you send something in, it's not even reviewed for 2 weeks. So in 2 weeks, if you've called 6 times, that can really aggravate and annoy an adjuster. And I've had clients that tell me, hey, I keep reaching out to the adjuster. You don't need to. If you're represented by an attorney, your attorney and the law firm will be reaching out to them. If you're not, you don't have to reach out that often to them because they'll get annoyed and they may stop even being as efficient on your case. There are, however, some things that you can do to get updates on your case without annoying the adjuster. For instance, you can log online to your website for your insurance company and see if there's any updates that have been placed on your portal. You can also call your attorney if you're represented by one to get updates as well. These things are going to be much better than harassing and annoying the adjuster on a daily or every other day basis. Another thing that adjusters do hate is for someone to ask them to speed up the claims process or get a quick settlement. Because if they do that, they're going to be underpaying you and you're going to be upset, right? They have to look at what damage has occurred to you, whether it be damage to your property or whether it be damage to your body, right? What are the long-term effects? How much are your bills? How much are they cost? Are they reasonable? And so forth. You can't expect them to do that very quick and to get a result that you're going to be satisfied with. So the key takeaways from this video today is don't bug your insurance adjuster every day or every other day. Don't ask them how quickly the case will settle right when an accident or incident occurs. Don't pester them, about your coverage, right? And don't ask them to refer you to a doctor, okay, or a specific doctor. Now, there are some things that you can do to help your claim and keep it moving forward quickly, which are getting the insurance adjusters the documents that they request quickly and getting the accurate information to them, answering their phone calls when they call you to answer questions if you're not represented by an attorney, basically getting the car inspected quickly. Those are all things that you can do to help your insurance adjuster to come to evaluation of your claim, okay? So while there are some things that insurance adjusters hate and some questions they hate, there are some things that you can do to help yourself and help the adjuster to help you in your claim. I hope that you found this video useful today or helpful. If you think it was, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below right there. Go ahead, do it right now. And if you have any questions or you have a case that you think my firm may be able to help you, go ahead and give us a call or email us. Thank you.